So next part of the trip, we come down to the south of the island near the black sand beaches. It's absolutely amazing part of the country. We've got snow-covered mountains all around us, and we're in an amazing little hut in the middle of an open plain, and I have to say the view is pretty breathtaking. Well, what a crazy day. Incredible frosty snowy morning with beautiful sunshine, waterfalls galore, an amazing flight up the glacier, and then when the weather turned and the wind picked up, the black sand beaches and those roaring waves made for a pretty eventful day. Right, 4:30 in the morning, not always easy chasing the northern lights, but the pale green glow is up in the sky again. Thanks to my little app, it woke me up and told me. So just spent 15 minutes taking some nice photos. Obviously shows a lot better up in the photos than it does to the naked eye, and not strong enough for video again unfortunately, but not bad going to see them for a second night. And it's still very cold.